Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on this device. So firstly you have to open your camera, then you have to tap on this frame icon. It's like Google Lens app feature. Tap open camera, allow all the time, allow. Then you have to find a QR code. I already prepared one here, so let's try to scan it. Oh, wow, it worked. As you can see, I scanned QR code. Show you one more time. Here is scan it like this. Tap search, go to the website, and as you can see, that's how you can scan QR codes on your XIAOMI. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.